Hello friends, my name is Abu Bakr and you are watching Jankari TV. Nowadays there is paper currency, you all know that, but now it is time that we have digital currency. In today's videos I will tell you some important and useful things about digital currency. I will also tell you some big personal things about cryptocurrency. So let's go to the video. If you don't have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and click the bell icon to watch a good video. Then I will take you to the laptop screen. Let me remind you again that if you have not subscribed to my channel, then be sure to subscribe to it and be sure to like this video. The like target of this video is 200. I hope you like the target soon. So now that we arrived at the top of the laptop screen, I will be silent and you guessed it by reading it. Hello and welcome to the Jankari TV. Got some news in that were North American investor volatility favor Bitcoin over other cryptocurrency. Now to say that investors in other region of the world do not favor Bitcoin, just that North American favor Bitcoin more than any other nation now or any other area of the world. Now North America is not only the United States. Obviously the United States is the bulk of it in terms of population, but we also have the land of Canada and I think Mexico is also part of North America. Yes, Canada and Mexico are also part of North America. Although if you want to know where the money is coming from, it is from the United States, but do not forget Canada and Mexico. So the states are actually somewhat like this opportunity in terms of like Bitcoin trading, stable coin trading and altcoin trading. So like Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency of trading in every region of the world, but North American investors or cryptocurrencies are Bitcoin largest fan. On August 6, major crypto analytics firm Chainalysis published as are repeatedly devoted to key trend in the North America crypto market. According to the report, North America invested this opportunity favor Bitcoin over other cryptocurrency like the other are XRP. So XRP and Ethereum are not the favor is in North America. They are actually much more favored in other region, while Bitcoin is the most traded crypto in the world. North America accounts for 72 of all assets transaction volume, so Bitcoin accounts for almost their quantities of all transaction volume in North America. All coin like other RXRP make up smallest share too of total crypto trading activity in North America among other regions.